Hi guys, style this beautiful gele with me on Diane. So as usual, you know how we do it. All you need to do is get your gele, and this gele with me is 2/4 long and it's 4 away. So getting your gele, you're going to be using 45-55 as your measurement. So as you know it, I love to do V-base. So this is a V-base tutorial. So pick your pleat and you're going to pin down. And also you're going to be picking 4 on the longer end and you're taking it to the other side. So make your way through to the other side and then you pin at the back. So once you're done with that, you come back to the front and then you pick your pleats. So this is a bridal fan. All you need to do is combine fans on two sides and then round in the middle. So all you need to do right now is pick your round first. So picking your round, make sure you take your time. You don't have to rush the process. Just pick it one by one until you get to the top. Make sure it is normal size in the middle and then you can slim it up a bit on the sides. So make your way to the top, and after you get to the top, then you can now start picking your side fans. So to pick the side fans, I'm going to start with my left hand and then I move it all the way to my right hand. So currently in the video, I'm currently doing the right hand and it's the same process with the left and the right. So make sure you're picking equal fans on both sides. So once you're done, your gele should be looking like this. It should be looking something similar to this, even if it's not exactly like this. To learn more, make sure you check me out on YouTube. Until next time, any gele.